How to sell Roblox items. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can sell Roblox items. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to roblox.com. Roblox is an amazing platform where we can play games. It's a virtual reality and where we have our avatars and then we can actually play different games. Hundreds of games are found on Roblox, and the signing up process for Roblox is really easy. You simply sign up with your a username, and then you set up a password, and then you're good to go. So in Roblox, what happens is we have avatar and we have different items that we can buy. So how to buy these items, and then we can actually sell Roblox item. Most of the people actually wonder how to sell the items, and because we can make money within Roblox, so you can actually make money by selling items, and we simply earn the Robux. This is the money that is the simple bucks are called Robux in Roblox. So what is going to happen, I will show you how we can sell items in our Roblox. So the first thing is going to be, I will simply go to avatar, and now in order to sell items you will actually have to have some items before selling it. And in items we can actually buy different things. For example, we can actually buy a sunglasses, we can buy a wig, a hairstyle, we can actually buy a face, an emotion that we can actually add into our avatar to make it more pleasing, and it will help us customize our avatar more. So I don't have anything in avatar right now, so we have come to avatar shop because we need to buy first, and then after that we will be able to sell it. So don't worry, when it comes to buying stuff there is a lot of free stuff. You don't need Robux to buy a lot of basic stuff. But again, if you want to buy more things, for example, you can buy simple emotions for free, but you won't be able to buy more advanced avatar features and stuff like that. So we need Robux, and how we can get Robux by selling items. And how to sell items, we have to buy them first. So we will actually get these free items right here. For example, we have these characters, we have emotions, and then we have different hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy this chill one for free, and then I'm gonna also buy a few of the characters, and I'm gonna buy hair. So let me actually show you how you buy an item in Roblox as well, like how to get it. It's super simple. You open it up, you can see right here the type is face generous, it's going to be all a description, it's time to chill. So this has been made by somebody and it is for free. So I'm gonna click on get, and I will click on get now because it is completely free, and then it will be added to my inventory, where I will be able to get access to all of the different characters and items that I have bought. Now I have just bought it, so it will be added to my inventory automatically. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy a few of the emotions, and I'm gonna buy hair or maybe a character for free on Roblox, and then we will simply sell it. So I have bought this trench coat as well. So now what I will do is I will simply go to inventory, and I will find all of my items. I actually just bought an emotion and this coat. So let's see if I have these items in my inventory right now or not. And after that we can just simply go ahead and sell any items if we want to. How to sell your items? Well, we can actually put it up on the official store right here. We can go to official store, and then I will be able to sell it. We can also go ahead and trade our items with other people, so that is also another way to make money. For example, you can trade an item on Roblox, and you can also get money in exchange as well. So that is how it works on Roblox. We can trade and sell items. So if we go to the official store, this is actually an official store for Roblox. But to sell your items, what we can do is we can actually go ahead and put it up on sale on the marketplace, where we will be able to sell our different items like many people are actually selling. So how to put up any item for sales? So now you can simply trade your items. So the first step to kind of like sell items on Roblox is going to be getting the premium, because only the premium player can sell items on Roblox. And if you have premium, then you will simply click right here, and then we get the buy and sell option in here. But I am telling you is, if you do not have a premium, how to sell your items, then you can just simply go ahead and buy different items, and then you can trade them with different players. If you have friends, you can exchange your items, and you can trade items with your friends, and it's a super easy way to make money on Roblox. But you will simply get premium. To get premium, you will find the option right here, and let me show you how you get a premium. Because once you have the premium, then you will simply click on these three dots right here, and then you will simply click on buy and sell. You will get the option of buy and sell in here, and then you will be able to sell your Roblox item very easily. But make sure to first get items. You can buy items, or you can create items from here. When it comes to selling, you can actually create new items, and that is actually the way to legit sell your items that you have created. So you will click on create, and you will be able to create an item on Roblox, and after that you can simply go ahead and sell your item. How to get a premium? You will see right here we have the option of get premium, and then I will scroll down. You will actually find the monthly subscription right here. This is going to be of course it's a paid premium. You will have to buy the premium. Once you have the premium, then you will be able to sell your item on Roblox, and you will be able to create your item. So this is how you will get the premium. And how to create an item? Simply click on create right here, and then Roblox will allow you to create a game, or you can create a new item, such as you can create an emotion. If you know how to create different things, you know how to create different emotions and hair and characters, and you know how to develop a hub, you know how to develop buildings graphically, then you can simply create different items within Roblox, and you will be able to make a lot of money. Of course, coding will be needed when it comes to creating on Roblox. So you will need a coding. It's not a code free, creating. Once you know how to create item, you will create them, and then you can simply sell them on Roblox Premium. But if you do not have Premium, then you can simply trade your items and make money. Get your items right here from Avatar Shop, where you will be able to find different items created by different people who are selling. You can also get items for free. Once you have the item, then you will simply trade it, or you can sell it with Roblox Premium. Is super easy to do and super fun. The best thing about Roblox is that it's super easy to sign up for, and you play games, and plus you're making money. You are creating games, you are creating items, and then it helps you get more productive, and you also make money by just playing games. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how you can sell items on Roblox. You simply have to get the premium Roblox, and then you will be able to sell the items, and I showed you how you can do that, and now it's up to you. Simply go ahead, create your items with Roblox, and start selling today. So yeah guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.